Hey kids! So, we are back with the $80 Toshiba satellite. Welcome back, old friend. Yeah. And today, you can already tell by the title and thumbnail, but today we are going to be installing Windows Server 2003 on this very legit disk I burned back in the ancient land of March 2024. I already wiped the drive clean with a Windows PE ISO. It's an x86 ISO, it's a 32-bit ISO, and it's based on Windows 10. Like, probably one of the earlier versions. Yeah. So I just wiped it clean with that, and yeah. Now, I've actually gotten more discs, more DVDs, more CDs. I've gotten 25 more CDs and 25 more DVDs, so that's 50 discs in total. So, yeah, but this is one of the old ones. For those of you who don't know, let me ramble for a bit. I got this kind of compact disc at my middle school. It was in a room and they just let me borrow it. They were still sealed. So I opened them up. I didn't really like them, so I just threw them in the drawer. But then, like, a year later, I discover them again, say, hey, this could be useful, and then, just use them. So, yeah, this is one of the originals. So this is for Windows Server 2003. Oh, boy. Well, enough chit-chat. Let's get to the meat. Alright, so put our disk here. I'm going to turn it on. Pop open the tray, slot it in, and close it. I think that's a little more seeable. What do you think? There we go. Welcome to setup. And of course, you gotta press F8. Partition space, and we're gonna use NTFS quick. And now it's copying files. Yay! Hey hey! And we're gonna reboot. Bam. And there it is, there's our boot screen. Windows Server 2003. And we're installing. Woo! Yeah! We got our regional language options. We'll just click next. Okay. TOWF, organization, of course, gotta go Trissy, TOWF, Co. And get enter a product key, imagine. Oh, we can skip it, okay. We can do 5, that's fine. And call it, just call it Tosh. That's our new name for this computer. Yeah. And next, and there you go. Rebooting, hooray! I'm not gonna boot from CD. Sorry, you can't convince me. Windows Server 2003. Got our gray Windows is starting up. Oh boy. Applying computer settings. Oh boy. Control delete. No password. And hurrah, we are at the desktop. When a step is not complete, how about you suck my cock? Okay, well, Windows Server 2003 is now installed. And of course, without any drivers. I mean, Windows Server 2003 was never meant to run on this new of a machine. Like, this machine came with Windows 7, I'm pretty sure, because Windows 7 like runs flawlessly. You got the arrow, got its full screen resolution, got everything, got all the drivers. So yeah, you can still go to Notepad and type out shit. Yeah. So anyways, that'll do it for this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.